In this video we are going to inform you the top 10 best historical places in the world. If you are intrigued by history, check out these ancient wonders that have been oozing beauty since centuries. Number 1. Qutub Minar. With a height of 73 meters, Qutub Minar is one of India's tallest minarets. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the world's tallest brick minaret. Qutub Minar was inspired by the minaret of Jam in Afghanistan in terms of architecture and design, and it is one of the best historical places to visit with your family. This famous structure in Delhi that tells the story of the city like no other. Number 2. Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves is a protected monument under the care of the Archaeological Survey of India, and it consists of 32 Buddhist caves not far from a historic village of the same name. Furthermore, the Ajanta Caves have been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1983. The caverns have paintings on the walls, many of which are still blazing with their original colors, and the outside walls are covered with wonderfully done sculptures, making it one of the fascinating historical places in the world. Number 3. The Colosseum. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, was a massive amphitheater established in Rome during the reign of the Flavian emperors. The huge edifice, which stood 4 stories tall and spanned 189 by 156 meters, 620 by 513 feet, had 80 entrances to the amphitheater, 76 for clients, 2 for event participants, and 2 for the emperor alone. It is now one of the top historical places in the world, with millions of tourists each year. Number 4. Chichen Itza. Chichen was built in the 6th century CE, possibly by Yucatan Peninsula Maya people who had occupied the region since the pre-classic, or formative, period, 1500 BCE to 300 CE. Chichen Itza is a Mayan language word that means, near the mouth of the Itz's well. This historic site was designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1988, and it was recently named one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Number 5. Great Sphinx of Giza. The Great Sphinx of Giza, near Cairo, is arguably the world's most prestigious sculpture. The Great Sphinx of Giza in Egypt, built in 2500 BC during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom, lies on the Giza Plateau directly in front of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Although the primary motive for the Sphinx's construction is unknown, some historians and archaeologists think the sculptures were sculpted to protect vital places that play a crucial role in keeping up to the status of being one of the iconic historical places in the world. Number 6. Aqueduct of Segovia. The Aqueduct of Segovia was erected under Roman authority in the second half of the 1st century AD, and carried water from the Fro River to the city until the 20th century. The Segovia Aqueduct is a one-of-a-kind Roman Empire construction that retains its original character and serves as a significant and evocative element of the region's environment. In 1985, the aqueduct was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List. Number 7. Mogao Grottos. Mogao Caves are without a doubt one of the most remarkable historical sites in the world. The Caves of the Thousand Buddhas, Chinfodong, commonly known as Mogao, are a wonderful Buddhist art treasure trove. Extensive murals portraying Buddha tales, Buddhist sutras, portraits of cave benefactors, decorative motifs, and scenes of social and economic life adorn the walls and ceilings of the painted caverns, which occupy over 500,000 square feet. Number 8. Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram is one of India's oldest cities. It is recognized as a center for religious monuments from the 7th and 8th centuries. You'd be ecstatic to see the UNESCO World Heritage Site, which includes temples built during the Pallava era. The Mahabalipuram's group of monuments, which includes rock-cut cave temples, monolithic temples, bas-relief sculptures, structural temples, and excavated temple remnants, has a unique place in classical Indian architecture.
Number 9. Luxor Obelisk. The Luxor Obelisk is a notable landmark in global history, dating back over 3,300 years and built of red granite. It includes hieroglyphics from the Egyptians depicting the rule of Ramses II and Ramses III, making it an important monument in world history. The 2 obelisks from the Luxor Temple were offered to the French by Muhammad Ali, the first governor of Egypt, and King Louis-Philippe gave Muhammad Ali a huge clock in exchange for the obelisk, which is still in place in the mosque's clock tower. Number 10. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, which stands magnificently on the banks of the Yamuna River, is a symbol of love and passion. The Taj Mahal was constructed by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, reigned 1628–58, to honor his wife Mumtaz Mahal, chosen one of the palace, who died in childbirth in 1631. The name Taj Mahal comes from Shah Jahan's wife's name, Mumtaz Mahal, and it means crown palace. This magnificent architecture is definitely one of the best historical places in the world. Hope you would have enjoyed the video. Please like this video, comment, share it and subscribe my channel that we met again with more interesting informations. Thank you.